Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Ellarie here. Yoshi officially starts school on Monday, and today is Tuesday, which means I gotta cram everything I was supposed to do over the summer into the next couple of days. Story of my life, procrastination, but anyways. I thought today would also be a perfect day to do a foundation wear test because yes, I usually do rock a beat face when I'm running errands. I know I'm gonna be in multiple stores because you know, you never know who you might see. Always stay ready so you don't have to get ready. So I partnered with YSL Beauty to do a wear test on their All Hours foundation while I'm running my errands so you guys can see how it holds up in this Georgia heat. I thought I'd first start off the video in my bathroom because that's usually how I start my day. Take a shower, brush my teeth, wash my face. I had to wash my hair today, so I'm about to do that really quick and then get into the makeup. Then I'm going to start my errands and also go pick up Yoshi, who I do not have right now. She's with her flaw job. So make sure you guys keep watching if you want to see a day in the life of this hot mother. Alright, so this isn't going to be a full makeup tutorial since it's really just about the wear test of the foundation. So I'm really just going to prep my face and put the foundation on, show you guys how it looks, and then give you guys an after when my face is fully done. And then we're going to go throughout the day and you guys are going to see how the foundation holds up. As I said before, this is the YSL Beauty All Hours foundation. It also has SPF 20 and has up to 24 hours of wear. It is a matte foundation and it's medium to full coverage. I apply all of my foundations really with a beauty blender because I have more control over building the foundation. So you can use like one pump if you want like a medium coverage and then add another one to build on and get it as full coverage as you want it to look. I have used this foundation before and I've also used the foundation stick they have in the All Hours, but I don't think I've reviewed the liquid one on my channel. I know I have the stick, so if you guys are faithful watchers, you guys know I've already reviewed that. So today you guys get a little review of the liquid. Before I go in with my foundation, I'm going to prime my face first. You guys know the YSL Touche Eclat Blur Primer is one of my faves, not new to my channel. I usually only need one pump of this. Sometimes I wear this alone with no makeup, and obviously I wear it under my makeup as well. Just makes my skin look and feel really nice. Now I'm going to go in with the All Hours foundation, and I honestly pump it right on my face instead of going in the back of my hand since I'm not using the brush. It just saves me a little bit of time, and sometimes when I pump it on the back of my hand I end up forgetting and get it like all over my robes and stuff. So I just go right in on my face, especially since I already know how much I need. I just go on my cheeks, nose, forehead, and chin. But if this is new for you, you can work one area at a time. And I usually work the bottom of my face first, like my neck and chin area, and then just work my way up. My beauty blender is clean, not super wet. You guys know I don't like when my beauty blender is too wet, but I always clean it right before I do my makeup. So it's always a little damp. Make sure you get it right on your hairline, especially if you have a headband on. Sometimes long wearing foundations can be on the thicker side, but this one is not. It actually blends in really easily. And it's not super heavy and it doesn't feel super heavy. So this is enough coverage for me. I like the way it feels. It still looks really natural. I'm really picky with my foundations because I don't like them looking super heavy or cakey. So this is perfect for me. Even though I'm not gonna do my whole face, I am gonna continue just with the concealer because it is YSL as well, so I might as well. This is their All Hours concealer in the shade Mocha. This concealer is not new to my channel either. It's also not thick. So if you don't like thick concealers or super thick concealers, I like mine's like in between, like not super thick but also not too watery. Usually if I know a concealer isn't fast drying, I'll just apply it everywhere first instead of applying it section by section, which I usually do so it doesn't like dry and it's hard to blend out. But this one isn't super fast drying, so I can just work all the areas of my face first and have time to blend it out before it doesn't move. I always take a little extra time to make sure it's really blended right underneath my eye, like stretch my face down to really work it in to my under eye area. A lot of times people will say concealer is crease, but it's sometimes due to the fact that they're just not working it into their under eye area well enough. And in order to do that, you gotta kind of remove your creases by kind of elongating your face so that you're not just going right on top but actually working it in. Alright, now I'm going to set my concealer and do the rest of my face spiel without you guys because it's pretty much the same routine that I normally do. And then I'm going to show you a little bit of the eye look for today. Eye look is pretty quick, pretty easy. Just used 2 shades. I just used a dark brown matte for the crease and outer V of the eye. Then I went all over the lid with one of their Sequin Crush eyeshadows in the shade Legendary Gold. And lastly, I added some black liner to the waterline, smudged that out with that same dark brown matte shade that I used in the crease, and added my liner and lashes. Alright, now I'm just spraying some setting spray. So this is my makeup look for the day. I am getting out of the house way later than I anticipated. So I just threw on some gloss because I haven't eaten at all today. So kept the lips simple, but we're still gonna be cute and we're still gonna run our errands and we're still gonna slay the day. Whenever I'm rushing and I don't have time, I just do a quick smoothie. There's peaches, pineapples, mangoes, strawberries, spinach. That powder is like an energy boost, and then I filled up the rest of the juice with the rest of my organic kombucha. Forgot to add banana actually, and that makes the texture so much better. It's like creamier with banana. Delicious. Finally, getting out of this house. It's already 4 o'clock. Oh my god, it is blazing hot out here. Car's charged. Please don't be traffic. Please don't be traffic. Please don't be traffic. Of course there's no traffic. Ew. So my first errand of the day is to get a little wax. Maybe TMI, but I do my underarms and, you know, my lady area. Over the summer, I was swimming so much that I had to just shave. Like, we were at the pool every weekend. And I totally regret it. I would have rather just wore a cover up and dipped my legs in because it like jacked my skin all the way back up because I was so consistent with it before. And I have eczema, so anytime my skin gets jacked up, it's jacked up. It is a little painful, I ain't gonna lie and say it don't hurt, or like after a while it stops hurting. Nope, it hurt every single time. That is the only downfall, but it's quick, you know, it's a quick little painful thing that just makes all the difference. And even though the summer is almost over, my pool is still in the works and I hope it's done by August and I still will be out there. So I want to make sure I get my skin back right, so that I'm not looking like a crunch bar when I do get in the pool. That was probably way too much TMI, so let me just stop. I haven't cried from a wax since like the first time. Like, it's so much worse when you shave in between. It's like torture. I felt like she was trying to kill me. But it's over with. I'm about to go meet Yoshi and her dad. Out of all places, a burger place, and I don't eat meat, so hopefully they got something there for me because I am starving.
Hi, my love bug. Hi, guys.
I brought her hair stuff to do her hair.
Good. You're gonna need that.
Girl, they're gonna be like, you did your hair, but you didn't do your daughter's hair? Oh no. I got the Impossible Burger. It's good. The fact that saying you're full makes you full.
You don't want to get too far then. So you just doing that on the spot.
We just had the most amazing lunch, right, Yosh?
Yes, we're going back to school shopping.
Yeah, but I gotta do this hair first. You look a mess, kid.
How rude.
So of course, right when we get to the mall, it does this. They left me up there. You see them running, and I'm just waiting for a little less rain. I mean, is it possible? My makeup still looks good up to this point. I haven't blotted or anything. I haven't touched up. I didn't even put no lip gloss on, but the way this rain is set up, I don't know. I'm nervous. All right, I'm about to just book it. Let's go for it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. My feet are soaking wet. So we are at Phipps Plaza, Leroy Saint Laurent.
In the elevator. What? Wait, record.
I am recording you, weirdo.
What do you do in the elevator? You dance. Da 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 da
Please retire. tired of the dab.
I thought they were tired.
We just got a whole bunch of stuff for Yosh.
I want to go back to school now.
She still needs a lot more clothes, but that store was a little expensive. So we're gonna go to a different store, maybe tomorrow, because it's getting late. And you almost gave me a headache in that last store. I know you're sorry. Don't be sorry, be careful. Now we're on our way home because I gotta make the baby dinner. Still looking cute though. I'm still looking cute. Your mom looking cute.
Yeah.
And it stopped raining. Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray!
You guys thought I was playing about this weather. Look at this. It is so ugly outside. Mind you, it's still like 80 degrees and hella humid. So we're still hot, but it is raining like crazy. But Yoshi and I have a big day tomorrow. Feels like the days are so short when we're super busy. So we didn't do everything that we needed to do today. Right now, I'm about to print out some lyrics for her because she's actually going to the studio tomorrow. Shocker! I don't think I've mentioned that anywhere. Like, not on Instagram, Twitter, anywhere. But Yoshi is about to be in the studio. Don't want to say too much, but I will vlog it on her channel. So I'm going to do that and make dinner. In the meantime, we're about to do a little foundation check. I'm going to show you guys in better lighting upstairs after I finish with my day, because believe it or not, the day is not done. And then I'll show you guys on my good camera what it really looks like, because the lighting and all this stuff is just, I'm cuter in person. All right, y'all. Today seems like it was kind of a boring day, which it kind of was. It wasn't as active as I thought it was going to be, just because I got out of the house so late. She's putting her pajamas on now, and after she's done, like in her pajamas and in the bed, that's when I take a shower, remove my wig, and clean my face. So obviously, I need to give you guys an update before I clean my face. I have not blotted my face. I have not applied any powders on my face. I have not used anything to absorb any of the moisture off of my face all day long. The weather conditions were all over the place. I went into rain, into humidity, into hot, into a cold store. So this was the ultimate torture test, especially being that I haven't, like I said, touched up at all. It doesn't matter the mattest long-wearing foundations in the world. I always tend to get oily around my nose, my forehead, and my chin. That is just never going to change, and I'm used to that. And usually I'm fine with that because I, even when I'm not oily, always blot my face throughout the day. I haven't today, which has been kind of weird because I've been wanting to do it all day, especially when my face got wet, not only from the rain, but when I was crying after that wax. But I have resisted just so I can give you guys a clear look on what my face looks like without touching it at all for just about 10 hours at this point. I don't have any creasing anywhere, not even in my smile lines. Creasing is my pet peeve, so I don't want to see it anywhere. I don't care if it's been 10, 12, how many hours. If your foundation and your concealer are good, you won't have to worry about it. So I'm gonna get you guys up close before I blot. As you can see, no creasing. Not on my smile lines. There's really nothing at all wrong with my face besides the little excess of moisture, which, like I said, is 100% normal. But finally, I'm about to do my first blot of the day. I either use a napkin or a tissue, and I try not to move the cloth around too much, whatever I'm using, because I just want to absorb the oil. Okay, I blotted my entire face. As you can see, I pretty much look back to normal. The lighting in here is much different than it is in the daytime because I have my windows open when I film, and right now there's no light coming in through the windows. But I look exactly how I did this morning just by blotting on a little piece of tissue. I've already told you guys I used this foundation before, so it gets my approval. I like it a lot. Pros are it is great coverage for me, someone who likes medium to full buildable coverage. It does have SPF 20, which we always look for in our foundations because we can't go anywhere without our SPF. It's not super matte, so it's not gonna be that harsh if you have dry skin because it's not a super drying matte. It's kind of like a softer matte. And obviously it's long wearing. I've had it on all day. For people who like a really heavy full coverage foundation, that's usually the only time we probably don't see eye to eye because you guys know by now I like medium to full, a buildable foundation. I don't like a super duper full coverage foundation. That's just not my cup of tea, but I know a lot of people like that and only wear that. So if that's what you're looking for, like I said, it's buildable, but it's not that heavy, thick type of look. It's really more of a natural foundation. If you guys have tried this foundation before, let me know in the comments. Don't worry, the video is not done. I'm still gonna end the night washing my face, snatching off my wig. Right now, I gotta go check on Yoshi because if I leave her alone too long, she be in some trouble. She has her own bedroom, her own bathroom, her own private bathroom, yet all her stuff is in my bathroom.
Oh, that's wrong. I'm the only one here.
Excuse me?
Except for my cup and my toothbrush.
Yeah, like why don't you do this stuff in your own bathroom?
Because
Just because I have 2 sinks don't mean one of them is for you.
no, but the one thing I'm gonna be happy about when school starts is I'm gonna be sleeping in my own bedroom.
Oh, you're gonna leave me?
You don't want to be saying you want me to leave.
I'm indecisive. Are you excited to go back in your own bedroom?
No. I'm gonna miss my bed buddy.
We can still be bed buddies.
You sleep in my room?
No. This lighting is just so terrible. It's like giving a lot of light to my forehead area. It's not that large in real life, I promise you. First thing I do is take off the wig, put my hair in a little messy bun.
Finally, she admits it.
I admit what?
That you go weave.
It's not a weave, it's a wig, and honey.
Same thing, dude.
Ain't nobody ashamed. Take off my lashes first. I know you're supposed to put like your lashes in like a little dust container, but this is my little cheap lash stash, like the lashes that I wear often before I throw them away, so that I know where they are. This is like a little cheap lash stash right here. See, this is how you know when it's time to go to bed, when she's like doing the most. And when they sleepy, they get in trouble. She know better. Right before I get in bed, I take a probiotic and 2 hair, skin, and nail pills. And I always keep a glass bottle of water next to my bed. I always wake up in the middle of the night, so I'm usually thirsty and I don't want to go all the way downstairs. And I also need it when I take my pills, of course. She used to drink my water all the time, so now she brings her own water upstairs, which she's drinking right now. So I know today wasn't fun and glamorous, but I mean, the weekends is usually where I have my fun. The weekdays, it's just work and this child. But you know,
Monday, worst day of the week.
Today's not Monday, so.
Sorry.
But today is really like a realistic day for me as far as waking up early, trying to film the hour or 2 I spent on the computer that you guys didn't see, running errands if I have errands, or cleaning my house. I'm going to start having to pick her up from school. She gets out of school super early. I don't really have much time to do anything. It feels like it goes by so fast. And when she gets home, it's like, oh my gosh.
I'm good when I get home.
Yeah, but you're hungry, you want snacks, you need help with your homework. Like, it's a lot. Then I gotta have dinner ready at a certain time so you can get to bed at a certain time. Because even though it's super late right now, you would have been in the bed like 4 hours ago on a school night. So, super tough, especially doing it solo. But, I mean,
We can take care of it.
we can take care of it. We've been doing it. I mean, it's like, I'm not complaining. I'm just saying, like, it's a lot of work. but we're a team, and
A few more years till I go to college.
oh, let's not hop all the way up to college. Let's keep it at 3rd grade for now, okay? Mommy don't have time to think about that. All right. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little day in my life video. Thank you, YSL Beauty, for sponsoring this video. Make sure you guys check out the All Hours Foundation. Sponsored or not, I love that foundation and the concealer, so you guys got to check it out. And I hope all you guys that are starting... She told me to say, may God bless you. You could have said it.
May God bless you.
Until next time, love ya.
Love ya.
Good night.
Good night.